Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to turn a single photo into video animation using Pixelcut AI on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's begin it. Open the Pixelcut app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, go to App Store, search for Pixelcut and download it. On the home screen, tap the create button at the bottom or start with the photo. This is where all editing tools are available. Now choose the photo you want to embed from your camera roll. Pixelcut will load it into the editor. Scroll through the options and tap on image to video or animated photo. This tool turns your image into a moving video. You will now see different animation styles like zoom in, zoom out, pan left or right, motion effect, 3D motion. Tap each one of them and preview how your image will move. Pick the animation you like the most. Use the sliders to control speed of animation, direction, intensity of movement. Make the motion slow and smooth or faster and dynamic. It's your choice. You can also add text, stickers, filters, background music. These are optional but can make your video more fun. Once you are happy with the animation, tap the Share Export button on the top right corner. Choose Save to Photos to download the final video on your iPhone, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.